The Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, continues to slug it out with Ripple in the more than 2-year-old case. Welcome to the Rich Club channel. Please watch this video to the end, like it, and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the release of new videos. Also in this video, we will show the lucky winner of giveaway, free 500 XRP, and maybe it will be you. So watch the video carefully until the end. The Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, continues to slug it out with Ripple in the more than 2-year-old case. In its latest filing, the regulator has opposed Ripple's motion to seal several categories of documents filed in connection with cross motions for summary judgment. The SEC states in the JAN 9 partial opposition that many documents Ripple proposes to redact from public scrutiny are too essential. The documents will play a key role in summary judgment and hence cannot overcome the presumption of public access, the SEC noted. The SEC has filed its response in partial opposition to the Ripple defendants' motion to seal certain documents filed in connection with the parties' cross motions for summary judgment. The SEC highlights 5 categories of documents out of the 11 Ripple proposed to redact as having this importance. The first category is Ripple's proposal to redact documents related to its financial information. The securities watchdog explains that it is opposed to Ripple sealing the entirety of its financial records. The SEC notes that financial records from 2013 to 2020 are at the heart of the case and therefore require public disclosure. The SEC adds that these records will also not harm Ripple's market competitiveness. The SEC's arguments follow a similar path in making a case for unsealing the other 4 categories of Ripple documents. These include Ripple's contract terms, the identity of third parties, compensation, information, and individual defendants' personal and financial information. On the same day, Ripple also filed its opposition to the SEC's motion to seal certain documents connected to cross motions for summary judgment. The fintech giant points out that the court recognizes that the presumption of public access to judicial documents is currently at its strongest. The Ripple defendants have filed their response in opposition to the SEC's motion to seal certain documents filed in connection with the parties' cross motions for summary judgment. Hence, it urges the court to deny the SEC's motion to seal emails related to Bill Hyman's speech. This is because the SEC uses parts of the document in its arguments for summary judgment. The document is of high public interest in the case. Ripple also note. The defendants further requested that the court reject the SEC's request to seal their experts' names and identifying information. Ripple argued that the SEC has failed to differentiate between the circumstances of each expert. Similarly, 3 of the experts are already publicly known through their disclosure. Whether or not the court ultimately determines those documents are relevant is beside the point. They are part of the summary judgment record, and there is no compelling basis to keep them sealed. The SEC's motion should be denied. The filing said, Ripple partner Airwallex has entered into a partnership with American Express to expand merchant payment acceptance options per a press release from Airwallex today. Also, the company shared the development via Twitter. We have partnered with American Express to allow Airwallex customers to accept American Express cards as a payment method. As a result of the partnership, Airwallex customers in Australia, Hong Kong, Singapore, and the United Kingdom will now be able to accept customer payments via American Express cards. Notably, they will be able to do so via online payment portals, zero-invoice payments, and e-commerce shopping extensions. Airwallex discloses that the partnership results from the demand from customers who want to enjoy the benefits of accepting American Express payments. The outlined benefits include higher spending, high-end customers, and better customer payment experiences. Per the press release, the partnership will leverage novel cross-border and multi-currency payment solutions, integrating Airwallex's technology with the convenience of using American Express for payment. The Ripple partner adds that it allows customers to choose from 60 payment options, including American Express. It is worth noting that Airwallex has been a Ripple partner and RippleNet user since 2017 per a Ripple blog post. Consequently, it leverages XRP as a bridge currency in multi-currency and cross-border transactions to enable near instant and low-cost remittances and settlements. Unsurprisingly, the latest partnership has caught the attention of excerpt influencers who have taken to Twitter to share the development. Ripple partner Airwallex partners with American Express to diversify merchant payments acceptance option starts. Cocksher community. Crypto blockchain pick. It is the latest in a long line of partnerships between Ripple partners and renowned legacy finance institutions. As reported in December, MoneyGram launched an online remittance platform in Brazil with the help of Frank Corretora, a Ripple partner. Less than a week later, Deaton, another Ripple partner, entered into a partnership with Visa to utilize the Visa Direct solution to offer near-instant peer-to-peer cross-border payments. Attorney John Deaton has asserted that there will be no settlement in the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission case against Ripple till after Judge Annalisa Torres gives her summary judgment decision. The friend of the court in the over 2-year-long legal battle said this in a tweet yesterday as part of his predictions for 2020. 3 predictions. 1. The Thorple case does not settle until after we get a decision from Judge Torres. 2. An exchange, maybe more than one, is sued for selling unregistered securities. 3. Investigation into fraud meetings uncovers bad. 4. Gensler resigns before the UE. Elaborating on his prediction, Deaton explains that both parties could enter an out-of-court settlement after the court ruling to stay a potential jury trial and potential appeals. Some people are confused about my prediction that the Ripple case doesn't settle until after Judge Torres renders a decision. A settlement could occur, after which would eliminate any potential jury trial and also eliminate any potential appeal. The prediction supports Deaton's previous stance, where he argued that the case would make it to a court ruling, as opposed to most XRP holders in a poll he conducted who believed a settlement was likely before summary judgment. At the time, the lawyer expressed that he no longer expected the SEC to seek a settlement to keep the Hinman documents private. According to Deaton, despite recent efforts by the SEC and omnibus motions to keep the Hinman documents sealed, he believes that the SEC, which already agreed to a court order to hand them over to Ripple, is ready to risk the documents going public. In addition, the crypto law founder believes that the SEC chair Gary Gensler is willing to gamble on an unfavorable SEC outcome. Furthermore, he added that the regulators had received a confidence boost with the win against Elbrey and the FEX collapse. Notably, Deaton believes that the ruling in the SEC case against Ripple will be the only clarity the emerging markets get until the next poll. He said this in light of the negative sentiment toward crypto in Congress and the House's polarized nature that makes it less likely to pass many bills. Consequently, the crypto community is hoping for a court ruling in favor of the blockchain enterprise company as it sees a bloodbath in the event of a Ripple loss, according to Fox Business's Charles Gasparino. Notably, the senior correspondent believes that the SEC could force all crypto except Bitcoin to register as securities. In July 2022, Deaton predicted that SEC is going to sue any U.S. exchange by the end of the year, which today came true after SEC charges Gemini for the sale of unregistered securities. From July 20, 2022 on Fox Business, John Deaton predicted what happened today. The SEC recently filed lawsuits against Genesis Trading and Gemini for allegedly engaging in the sale of unregistered securities. Gemini's Cameron Winklevoss has described the lawsuit as counterproductive as the crypto exchange is locked in a battle with Genesis to recover the funds of its Earn program customers who have been unable to withdraw their assets on the crypto exchange for over 2 months. Notably, as part of its Earn program, it loaned customer funds to Genesis to earn yield. However, Genesis, faced with a liquidity crunch, has paused operations. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the release of new videos.